Good morning students. Welcome to class 9th. Today we will discuss a new topic, that is HTML practicals. As in the 8th standard also we have discussed the topic HTML. So what is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language which is used to design web pages. This language was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. In this language, we will use tags to design our web page. So today, we will discuss how to create a web page in HTML, how to use the different tags like BG color, font tag, definition list, compact list and nested list. So let's start with our practicals. For this we will start the notepad. So steps are: click on start button, click on all programs, click on accessories, click on notepad. Now the notepad window will appear before us. Here we will write our first tag, that is HTML. So for this, with the shift key we will start the bracket, then we will write HTML. So what is the full form of HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. This language tells the web browser that we are going to create a web page. The next tag that we will write is head tag. That is the container of all the head elements. The next tag is title tag. This tag displays the title on the title bar of the web browser. In the title tag, we can write any text about our web page. Like here I will write my first web page. After this, I will close my title tag and I will close my head tag. Now, after writing these tags, I have to create the structure of the document. For this, I will start the body tag. Now, here I will display a simple text on a web page, like I want to print my school name. So I will write Holy Heart Residency School. After writing the text, I will close the body tag with the help of / and I will close the HTML tag. Now I will save my document. For this, click on File menu, click on Save option. Now a dialog box will be appear. Here I will select the location, that is desktop. Then in the file name box, I can type any file name. I can type my name also. Here I am going to type, that is first page. The next thing we will write, that is extension .html, that identify your page on the web browser. You can type .html also or .htm also. After this, we will click on Save button. You can see on the title bar, my page is saved with first page.html. Now I will minimize my notepad window and you can see a browser icon will appear on the desktop. You can open your document with any web browser like Internet Explorer, Mozilla, Google Chrome, Opera, anyone. Now how can you open this document? You can double click on this document also, or you can right click and click on open. You can see my text is appeared on the web browser, that is Holy Heart Presidency School. The next thing I want to learn how to change this background color and how to change this font, like font color, font style and font size. For this we have to learn some more tags. See, the first tag is BG color, used to change the background color of the web page. And the next tag is font tag, used to change the style of writing. Now we will use both these tags in our notepad window. So we will click on our notepad window, and here in the body tag I will write the tag that is BG color equal to double quote start. In the double quotes you can write any color, red, green, blue, yellow, aqua, whatever color you want to give as a background. So here I have written aqua. Now double quotes close. Now you want to check the color. For this what I will do, again I will click on file menu and click on save option. But again we will not give any name. Now your Mozilla is minimized at the taskbar. You can click on your web browser and click on refresh button. See, my background color is changed. Now I will again open the notepad that is minimized and I will apply the font tag to change the formattings. Like angular bracket start, we will write the font. Firstly I will change the font color. So how I will write, color is equal to, in double quotes I will write any color like red, double quotes close. Now I will write the font size. Size is equal to, see, the font size is from 1 to 7. 1 is the minimum and 7 is the maximum. So you can write any size from 1 till 7. Like here I have written 6. The next tag is face. Face means the style of writing, like Comic Sans, Algerian, or we can say Joker Man. Or the other way is there, when we will write face is equal to double quote start, you can go to format menu, click on font, and here also you can copy any style of writing. Like this one, I will press Ctrl plus C, click on cancel, and here I will do Ctrl plus V, double quotes close, angular bracket close. Now I can see the change on our browser window. How I will do? Firstly click on file menu, click on save option. Every time when you will do the changes you have to save your document. Click on Mozilla Firefox and click on refresh button. You can see our writing style is changed, color is changed, the size is changed and the face is also changed. We will use our next tag, that is definition list, used to display number of terms and definitions in the HTML document. Means if you want to display terms and definition in HTML, means your web page, then you can use the definition list tag. This element has two other elements as DT, that is definition term, and DD, that is data definition. Means for the terms you will write DT tag and for the definition you will write DD tag. Now we will use this tag in our notepad window. So our notepad window is already open. After the text, before the body tag, we will write the DL tag. Start the DL tag. DL means definition list. After the DL tag, for the data term, we will write DT tag. After DT, we will write a term name. Like we want to write the definition of computer. Clear? So our term is computer, and after this, for the definition, data definition, we will write the DD tag, and here we will write the define of computer, that is computer is an electronic machine. You can write any define with the help of these tags, and at the end you will close the DL tag. So students, firstly I have started the DL tag, means definition list. In the definition list tag under we have written the DT tag, that is definition term, and after writing the definition we have written the DD tag, that is data definition. Now we will click on file menu and click on save option. Now we will move to our browser, and here we will click on refresh button. You can also press Ctrl+R, and if other browser is there you can press F5 key also. See, our term name is computer and our define is computer is an electronic machine. Now we will use next tag, that is compact list. Basically compact list is an attribute of DL tag, that is definition list, used to display reduced width of the left hand DT column. It is used to reduce the left width from the left side. Used for short definition terms, means if your definition is in the short form, you can use the compact list attribute of DL tag. Now we will use this tag in our notepad window. See, after the text we will write DL tag. In the DL we will write compact, angular bracket close. Then we will start DT tag. In the DT we will write our term name, like I want to write the term, that is CU. After this I will write DD tag, that is data definition, and here I will write the define, like this is the control unit, full stop, and at the end I will close DL tag. Means when you are going to start the tag in the DL you will write compact, and at the end only you will close the DL tag. Now again we will save our page. Click on file menu, click on save option. Then now I will click on Mozilla Firefox and click on refresh button. See, it is coming CU. This is the control unit. So this way we will use the compact list attribute or definition list. Now we will use our next tag, that is nested list. The term of nested list is a list within a list is called nested list. Means when we will create one list in another list, it is called nested list. Now we will use this nested list in the notepad. So click on the notepad window. Here I will write my first list, that is ordered list with OL tag. Then Here I will write the list of items with li tag. Li. Here I have written the text like parts of computer. I will close the li tag. Now I have to make another list, means a list within a list. For this, again I will write the ol tag, and here I have given type is equal to, in double quotes I have written a, angular bracket close. Now the list of items I will write with li tag. Like here I have written the first part CPU, then li close, then I have written the next part with li tag, that is mouse. Again I have closed the li tag, and again I have written the next part like keyboard, and I will close the li tag. Now I have created a list within a list, that is, this is the main list, that is ol tag, and this is the sub list. Now here I will close firstly the sub list, that is ol, and again I will close the main list, that is another ol tag, and at the end what we have to close, that is body and HTML. Now click on file menu, click on save option, go to browser and click on refresh button. You can see this is our main list, that is number 1 parts of computer, and this is the sub list, that is the under the main list, that is parts of computer like CPU, mouse and keyboard. Students, today we have learned how to create a web page, how to use the different tags like BG color, font tag, definition list, compact list and nested list. So students, watch the video carefully, do the practical practice of all these tags, and in the next video we will come with more tags. Thank you very much.